Hey guys, this is Vlogmas day 17 of the series on how to make money online before Christmas, and this one is just going to be just to ask you guys question about how has it been going with you guys. Have you been trying every method I've been showing you guys online? At least I've done more than 10 videos this month already, way over 10 videos right now, and this is day 17 already. So let me know in the comment section below right now, which of the method I've been telling you guys have you been trying? Have you been trying any of them? Whichever one, let me know. If you have idea on anyone you want me to talk about, also put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you want me to talk about. Just give me an idea of what kind of video you like me to do, either vlog or show you on the system, to just show my screen recording, to show you guys everything step by step. Whichever one, just let me know right there in the comment section below. So this is just very simple. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this video on all your social media, so that YouTube will be the first to be recommended when I upload a new video out there. So that's it guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.